Evelabs Goat Milk Powder is being promoted as a clean, natural, one-ingredient health product. But the real question is whether it's actually something special or just basic milk with smart marketing. Now, the idea behind this isn't completely fake. Goat milk powder itself is a real, widely used product made by drying fresh goat milk and retaining nutrients like calcium, protein, and fats. However, here's the key point. Evelabs is not offering anything unique. It's essentially standard goat milk powder with branding around it. There are some positives. It can provide basic nutrition like calcium and protein. Be easier to digest than cow's milk for some people. Work as a simple milk alternative. These are normal benefits of goat milk in general, not specific to this brand. That said, there are some concerns. First, lack of real reviews. There are almost no verified customer experiences available, which makes it hard to trust the product's quality. Second, marketing versus reality. The one ingredient claim sounds premium, but it's actually standard across many goat milk powders, not something special. Third, limited brand transparency. The product has little presence outside its own website, which is a common red flag for newer or less established brands. And importantly, it's not a supplement breakthrough. It won't deliver unique health benefits beyond what regular milk already provides. So, is Evelabs Goat Milk Powder real or fake? It's real milk powder, but not a special or premium product. The bottom line is this. Evelabs Goat Milk Powder is basically ordinary goat milk sold with strong, clean marketing. It can provide basic nutrition, but there's no clear reason to choose it over more established brands with proven quality and reviews. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.